Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Chrome's enhanced safe browsing mode. So if you want to browse the web more safely with more protection, with less risks of getting your data hacked or something like that, you can just easily enable that one setting in the settings. So navigate with your mouse to the top right corner, click on three dots, go into the settings. After that, navigate with your mouse to security, privacy and security. Then go to security here. And guys, as you can see now, I have under safe browsing, standard protection enabled. Standard protection enabled, and you're just looking to enable the enhanced protection. Also guys, as you can see, when on, it will tell you what is going to happen and the things to consider. So just read this out. If you're okay with this, make sure to have it enabled, and you can just have this enabled all the time if you're very maybe paranoid or just want to be as safe as possible. Just read these things that it suggests you to consider. That is it, guys. I'm just going to stay on standard for now. Never had problems with it, but you just choose this enhanced one. Enjoy, and thank you for watching, guys.